In the automotive, this is part 2 of the actual air shock absorber front left hand side replacement. This is the bad one. So when the car was in there was a leak from there, so the airbags are broken inside here and the seal, so the whole thing just comes down, so it's broken. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you the, let me get the torch. Actually, I think I've got a torch now, that's alright. I want to show you what I've done. So this is the left hand side front. Have a look at that. Have a look at the car. See the car from the front, nice and balanced. Before it was just that side there was like that. So now I'm going to show you the shock absorber. That's a brand new one there. Before on part 1, on one of the battery I checked, it was leaking from that corner there. But now it's not leaking anymore. So it's all fixed now, so the car's fixed. I'm really happy about the job. So look from the back. So the car's alright now, so alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.